When you have an announcement and you'd like it to link to something within your course, it's very easy to do. Go to the announcement that you want to use, click on Edit, or create a new announcement. I've already added text here to make this quicker. So take the text that you want to use as the link and highlight it. And then from the icon area up above, you're looking for the Insert Content link, which looks like a file folder with a link in front of it. So click on that, and it opens up a window showing your content. And I go to the map, and then I open up the lessons area. And in this case, I'm going to link it to a PowerPoint presentation, but you could actually link it not only to a document or a page in Angel, but you could also link it to a quiz or a Dropbox or any other item within your course. So in this case, I'm going to click on the rubrics PowerPoint. And once I'm happy with that, I scroll to the bottom and click Save. And then what I have is a link within my announcement, and when my students click on it, it will take them to the item that I want them to go to.